Well, here I am, west side of Detroit, and a very interesting couple of days here. You know, I have to give God praise because He just showed me again how things are orchestrated for His sons and daughters that follow Him, and how He knows what's going to happen and how He's got you taken care of. I'll give you, for instance, the Jeep broke down pretty badly, and we had the extended warranty, thank God. So it looks like the extended warranty will handle the drive shaft and all the other problems that's going to take place from it. Well, then 2 days later, the van has brake problems, and it got so bad that I knew that I'd better park the car because safety-wise, just not right. So I parked it today, and the Jeep's going to be covered more than likely under the extended warranty, which is good because we've been spending a lot of money trying to get ready for the second wave of the pandemic and putting a garden in to help benefit things, and put a lot of money into it. We're going a lot of hours, but trying to get ready and to be responsible. And if things don't go so bad, then we got food, and if things go real bad, then we'll be ready. Either of which, we know God's got our back. So we have enough money on the credit card to get a car rental, but we need 2 cars because I arranged to work 16-hour days for the next 2 days at my new store in my new location, and I need people to see that I do work as hard as they've heard about from the other place. And we need the money because we need to put down, there's the trim on the roof, the 2 ceilings need to be fixed inside, and get the siding on the house done. So we had some things that had to get done, and I'm working hard to get it done. So then God allowed me to get the hours that I wanted to get for the next 2 days. But then how do I get there? Well, mother-in-law came by with a car and said, I'm not going to use it for a while. You use it. Now we just got to get one rental car, which I can get tomorrow, for 2 days. My spouse has vacation time, and it's scheduled, and we didn't remember it. So we only have 2 days where there would be the need for a car rental. And that's it. And then my best friend's going to come down and fix my car Sunday morning early before I have to go to work, which is good because I want to see him. I haven't seen him like forever. And he's going to come down and do all the construction work on my house, and I'm going to take 1 day off a week to assist him when he comes down. So I'm really glad because we've been best of friends for many years, and I'm just not being around him. So he's telling me all the good news in his personal life, and I am so happy because he needs that. But anyway, so I'm driving back from the west side of Detroit to the east side of Detroit, and just thinking about how great God is and how wonderful He is to take care of everything, and to know that I'm not alone. I'm there, God's there, I can talk with Him, walk with Him, share my burdens with Him, know that He loves me, that He's got to be taken care of. But one thing I do want to say, if anybody ever teaches you to name it and claim it, please be careful with that, because God is not your slave. He's your creator. He can stomp on you. So don't fall for that cult, name it and claim it garbage. That Benny Hinn and that Joyce Myers garbage. That's garbage. They know it. And that's just the cult. We studied that in seminary. And name it, claim it garbage. God's your creator, and He deserves to be worshipped, and He deserves your love, and He wants your attention, and He wants to speak with you. So think about that when you're going through your life, that God's there. He wants you to give praise and tell people about all the great things He's doing, which is exactly what I'm doing here. Exactly. Telling you guys how wonderful God is. That's it. God loves you. Hope you have a blessed day, and hope you decide to spend some time with God and talk with Him. God bless.